Pilipinas. Bianca Saldua is with us to run the sidelines. Bianca?
Kung ako ang tatanong ngayon, Sev and Mosey, talagang nakaka-excite ang laban na ito dahil mala 300 Spartans on peg ng Smart ngayon araw na ito dahil syempre sinabi niyo 7 lang ang players nila ngayon. Muntik nga sila ma-default pero sinigurado ni Coach Roger na makakuha sila ng kahit isa pang player para makalaro sila ngayon. At biro mo, confident pa rin sila. Wag lang may ma-injure mamaya. Samantalang kahit kompleto sila ng players maliban sa injured player nila si Jennifer Manzano na maga ang left knee, concerned pa rin si Coach Clarence dahil veterano pa rin ang kalaban nila ngayon at yan daw ang mapapatalo sa Air Force kung sakali. Pero feeling ko lang ito ang pinaka-test ng saying there is strength in numbers. Meron nga ba o magiging test ba ito ng quality versus quantity? Back to you.
Parang GMA telenovela. No?
Pwedeng-pwede nga eh. Ito si...
Abangan.
Yun naman ang, yun ang dream ni Bianca. Talaga.
All around.
Oh, pwedeng-pwede kahit saan.
News, beauty contest. Meron pang programang yan, quiz show yan.
Tapos may, Tama.
May karera ng manok doon sa labas. Bianca, gusto may cover. Just so versatile. In the meantime, that's long. What?
No spin on that one.
Flat na flat.
Yes.
Pinahalo ng ale,
Well, I would think na sa sinabi nga ni Bianca, itong Smart would want to have the short game. A short game, diba?
Good point.
Ayaw nilang paguran. Dahil pagdating ng paguran, walang papalit sa kanila. Hindi katulad nitong Philippine Air Force.
They won't have the legs for anything if it reaches 4 sets. Although our prediction, our gut feel is 4 sets. Rosses just knew that was going to go out. They reobtained the serve with Guliman, who I understand is from Lyceum, actually.
Well, Smart now with 3 attack points, partner. The Air Force having 1. Yes, partner.
Alam mo, hindi masamang lineup kung mabuo lang talaga to Smart, actually.
Yes, I mean, kung nandyan si Maru, pwedeng-pwede na yan.
Pero baka numbers might be the factor nga, sabi nga ni Bianca. Let's see. Ferrer setting up Soriano. Caballero, nagkakagulo sa harap, Hindi magkapaluan, Nagugulangan sa harap tong dalawang kupunan ng Soltones. But Masada keeping it up. Rhea
Di Maculangan on the dump. Gets it to go. Well, Smart now with 2 digs and the Philippine Air Force with 4.
Si Rhea, akala mo hindi mahilig mag-dump over yan. Simplicia din yan,
Hindi lang kasi niya palaging ginagawa. Madalas nga si Rhea, kaya rin sinasabing magaling siya sa ganun. Dahil ginagawa niya, yung timing niya magaling, maganda.
Occasionally lang para may gulat kahit paano. Pinaluan ni Soltones.
Down the line, Soltones. Mang kaboom yung pagkakapalo.
Like a baby bazooka. Soltones taking care. I love her first name, Gretchel. Pinagsama si Hansel at si Gretchel.
Pwede.
10-all. Problem with the serve, and yes, nothing but a smile. And Roger Goroyev has nobody to talk to. Axel's the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. At least playing time won't be an issue today with this team.
No.
Nicely done down the line. Semana.
But that went wide. A little bit wide for Semana, so point goes to Smart.
And Wendy, who used to have frizzy hair when she was in college, now
Air Force na.
Air Force na,
Even Caballero.
Yeah. Rhea. Caballero gets jammed. It's the 4th touch.
And it's going to be lifting on Rhea. Mababa niya kasing nakuha yung bola. Could have gone for an underhand na lang that last play.
Mindset to toss kasi. Mindset to toss kasi.
Ganyan talaga kayong mga setter.
12-10. Ganda. Huli lang. That USD connection got snapped there, though. That was a play we've seen through the years. Si Charo ba nakablock?
Yes.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. That is the facet of Soriano's game that hasn't been given enough credit. Her blocking, actually. Because she had to do it when she didn't have that many teammates before Gretchen Ho and the others, the Fab Fibers, they know them.
Before them,
She had to do many of those things. 14-10. Caballejo picks it up. Rhea.
Oh,
Wendy.
going was there.
Bakbakan ng two setters pala ito, no? Ha?
That's
Caballejo.
right. Yung converted, yung isa nako-convert mo to as spiker. And look at them. These two squads, mula kanina pa, they've been trying to outsmart each other. Ilang malalakas na palo pa lang
Good
nakikita
point.
natin.
Yes. Nagugulangan eh. At
Yes.
saka, alam mo eh, sabi ng Air Force siguro, and we probably didn't get pagurin niya.
Oo.
Pagurin niya.
Ito, good ni.
Pagurin niya. Huwag yung paluan maano. Huwag tayo
Game plan
mapapalo.
yan.
Jem Ferrer's version.
Aha. Nagulat sila dun sa gitna nilagay ni Jem. Normally yan eh, alam mo naman, humihiga-higa yan eh. Dun sa dalawang gilid yan nilalagay ni Jem eh. Pero this time sa gitna, read the defense well.
Si Jem magaling kumuha ng Instagram yan eh. Tapos kitang-kita niya kung paano isa-send yung picture all around her. Oh, sapul yung mukha ni Balmaceda. Mali ang pick-up niya. 16-11. Smart is ahead. Second technical timeout.
Ako si Sue Rosas ng Smart Maynilad at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Season 10.